Alrighty guys, real quick, tear down complete. Now we wait. Okay, the adjuster gonna come out. This car had a ticking noise. This is a typical 2015 Grand Caravan, 189,000 miles. I'm not sure if they're gonna want me to put an engine in this thing or not. Either way, it can be fixed, guys. It was one of those light ticking noise. Think about that, guys. High mileage. Okay, I want cam phasers and everything. Now, as far as the timing chain setup go, yeah, I've never had problems with those. So I've been lucky with just getting away with top end. Ticking noise. You see this cam lobe right here? Yeah, you can see that's chewed up, and you can. Y'all hear that? This lobe is off of this. I had to rotate the engine to bring the lobe up on every one and then check. I call this the JT feel test. Feel, F-E-E-L. I'm feeling for a loose or broken rock arm. All right, so I found one. Okay, so I'm gonna need this camshaft right here and 24 rock arms. All right, so yeah, this is we wait. That's all we can do now is just wait. But I'm not gonna tear the engine down. I got approved tear down time. All I need to do is put a valve cover to see what I need to see. All right, that's because I have saw quite a few. All right, now you may look at this and say it's clean. How did this happen? Just rock on failure, guys. I know a lot of people tend to throw out the notion that this is a fatal flaw engine, and yeah, you can see it's not badly sludged up. No, in my opinion, I can only speak for myself and state my opinion. It's just a poorly designed rock arm. There's no oiling issue. There's not oil not getting to cylinder 4. This is 4 right here. There's none of that. It's just a jacked up, poorly, shitty built rocker arm caused this. No oiling flaws, none of that. Y'all cut it out. Stop it. Just poorly built parts, all right? Now, they rectified this by building a better part. So, there's some revised rocker arms Mopar make now, all right? None of that muddling crap. None of that Derman crap either. All right, I got to go, man.